So let's speak about also some initiatives that are currently being funded by the EU, for example, that ATLANT is part of. One of those is named ATOSENS. In that specific project, the DALP is a key enabler of a new type of components that is going to be processed by Nanofabricator LITE, essentially. This new component is named a neuromorphic sensor. It will be used as gas sensors initially, but it can be used for many other applications, whether being a humidity sensor or temperature sensor, all of them combined into one. Essentially, this will be bringing about a completely new device with extreme sensitivity of detection that can be used, for example, in hydrogen detection or detecting gases that are harmful to a population, whether it's an industry in the defense sector or in the direct consumer sector.